Welcome to the American Craft Council Library Digital Collections. Our digital archives can be accessed at the bottom of the ACC website under Library in Search the Archives. Our archive is located in our offices in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We continue to work on digitizing these archives, a small percentage of which is available here through the American Craft Council Library Digital Collections. We are now in the software that manages the digital collections. If you are using a Mac like I am, Safari is the best option. If you are using a PC, Explorer is the best option. On both platforms, Chrome and Firefox will also work. To get back to this home screen at any time, click on Home in the upper left. These 7 collections of material detail the history of contemporary craft in America and offer a glimpse at some of the ACC Library's most invaluable resources. ACC began publishing a periodical in 1941. We have digitized the complete issues of the first 25 years of what became known as Craft Horizons. Clicking on Craft Horizons will select only this collection for browsing and searching. You can see a random sampling of covers on the carousel of issue covers. These are not all the issues. To browse all the issues, click on Browse All at the top of the page. Here are the 121 issues of the first 25 years of Craft Horizons in their entirety. Each item on this list is an entire scanned issue of Craft Horizons. Clicking on the Home button returns us to the ACC Library Digital Collections. The next series of digital collections contain information from ACC conferences, museum exhibitions, fairs, and other ACC ventures. Included may be conference proceedings, show programs, exhibition catalogs, and pictures taken at the events. We have divided these into a timeline. Here's the 1940s to 1950s, the 1960s, the 1970s, and the 1980s through 1990s. Clicking on the 1970s, for example, selects only this collection for browsing and searching. To see all the items in this collection, select Browse All at the top of the page. In the first few items, you see pictures pertaining to our founder, Eileen Osborne Webb, and exhibition catalogs from the ACC conferences, exhibitions, and fairs collections from the 1970s. Clicking on Home returns us to the Digital Collections home. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page are the last collections. ACC published a newsletter from 1957 to 1986 in addition to the magazine. Selecting ACC newsletters brings us into this collection of nearly 200 newsletters. These newsletters were devoted to documenting American Craft Council events, exhibitions, and activities. This collection contains complete scans of all of these newsletters, Forum, Outlook, and Craft World. Going back to Home brings us to our last collection. The last collection is the ACC Artists File Collection. This documents the work of more than 3,000 craftspeople through images, catalog, and ephemera. Select this option, and there are nearly 4,000 images of works. The ACC had a Your Portable Slide and Film service where people could rent or buy slides or film strips of works or craft processes. Some of the Your Portable Museum images are digitized here. Selecting Home brings us back to the ACC Library Digital Collections home. The library's email is library@craftcouncil.org if you have any questions about the archive or library. Enjoy your searching.